Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. We're here today at our newest listing at 22 Pineridge Drive.
This immaculate 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is perfectly situated near all amenities. Let's check it out. I'm Wendy Tanner, sales representative at Remax Escarpment. We hope you enjoyed the pictures and video of this beautiful home at 22 Pineridge Drive.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this home, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Hamilton, please call us. We're Mark and Wendy, and we can be reached at 905-512-1846.